Hi guys, so we don't know where to go, so we took Serena here in Baguio without checking the weather. So right now it's raining, and then she needed to pee earlier, and she's looking for the bowl, and there's no bowl, right? What did you find?
Just something in
The floor.
Yes.
So you have to take off your pants and sit down.
I couldn't.
How did you pee?
I got it in the one lady helping me in the disabled.
Ah, okay. So
It's a normal.
it's a normal
yes.
bowl? Okay. It's the same thing. It's easier actually. Yun yung experience niya. Tapos kanina naglalakad kami. She found a lemon tree. So baka mamaya mag-uwi kami kasi bihira sa amin yung lemon. So lagi niya hinahanap. Kalamansi lang. So alam mo yung Mexicano, mahilig sa ganyan. Just point.
This one.
That's the lemon. Oh!
Chiquito.
How did you hold it? Hold it. Hold it again. Hold it again.
No.
Just hold it again. Is that how you guys hold lemon?
Chiquito.
Eto, kung nagpunta kami sa Baguio, bago yung Family Feud, ito yung tanong sa amin, everlasting pala. Dapat nanalo ko. That was the last question. So nakahanap na naman siya ng habanero. Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is habanero. See? Filipinos are dog lovers, you know? See? They're taking pictures of the dog. Things have changed. See, look, we have unicorn in the Philippines. Did you see it? Ride a unicorn. Yeah, you can line up with the little kids. She's calling you. Go. You want to?
I don't want to.
You don't want to?
No.
You want the brown horse? That one. That one.
You asked for it.
Was that a gay horse? So with this view, usually you see the whole thing.
But it's raining.
But your luck, it's raining. Itong si Serena may kasamang kakambal na malas eh. Punta kami sa Davao, sarado yung falls. Tapos nung pumunta kami sa Davao din, Eden Garden, biglang umulan nung nandun kami sa zip lining. Kaya sabi parang talagang laging may problema yung ano. We'll go back to the same place. So, tinatanong niya kung ano yung pasalubong kasi lagi niya narinig pasalubong. Akala siguro Pinoy. Pasalubong is what you take when you're going from a different place and then you come back home. Yeah, pretty much. Usually comes with food, but that's like a tradition here. You go to a place and you remember who you love and you bring something to them.
Souvenirs.
Yeah. Just get it down. Okay, so this one, ito yung gusto niya talaga. Mango pudding.
It's because I'm looking for a gummies, but I don't know what for.
And then this one, just get assorted 7. You try everything. We brought her to carry the thing. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we'll get this one. 5. Chiquito, right? Oh, you want this one? No, that's a stick shift. You want to try it? No, just hold that one. Why? There's people here. Wow. Nakahalata na siya, tatlo yung hawak ko eh. Tumulong na siya. Ayan na, nakita ko na sila. They're here. So, baka dito na rin kami kumain kasi ang dami. Bulaluhan, pinapaitan, mga ganyan. Sa amin, papalikan namin yung nakita namin na lemon tree. Kasi para wala kami masyadong lemon na supply sa San Jose, Nueva Ecija.
Pero ito kasi may bulaklak na yung susunod yung bunga.
So pagkano ko diretso na sa lupa, tapos ano ba ang maintenance nito? Pag,
Basta araw-araw lang dilig, sir.
Araw-araw ang dilig. Magkano po yung habanero?
150.
Yan. So here's a gift for Serena, right? So you better start that restaurant. So, di ba? Kaya po kami bumalik dito, sinama namin yung panlaban namin. I told him, I was like, we brought someone that could make sure it's worth it. Good. It's only less than $2 per menu. And you're in the rooftop. You have the rooftop view.
see?
Chiquita, right? Oh, you want this one? Those keychains that you saw, did you turn it on? It vibrates. Yeah, I'll get you one. You want?
What size do you want? There's a lot of size there.
Did you order anything that's blank? What the
You don't order? No, you don't order.
He is very excited.
Yeah.
Unlimited sabaw means that's the sabaw of this. Wow. I wanted to try the fried chicken. I'm not supposed to, but
Yeah, I didn't want to enjoy.
I'm gonna give it to Glenn. I just want to taste it.
That's why I didn't order. Because I know the outcome.
Ang sarap.
Pero no chicken.
Wow. Very good. Let me try this one. Okay. So, ito naman yung pares nila na lechon. You want to try this one? Pork belly.
A little bit.
Okay. I'm gonna use my... Okay. I'll split it with you. Do not worry. Yan. Pero pareho lang ng sabaw yan, di ba? So,
You don't want this?
bone. Yeah.
That's the good shit.
High
Sarap, ah.
cholesterol.
Man, that pork belly is better. Yeah. Glenn knows. You know why? You can't tell. Huh? Masarap yung ano, guys. Yeah, pag pumunta ka dito, tikman nyo tong ano, yung ano nila, lechong kawali. Sarap. Killing me softly. Sarap yung soup. Ito, mura na. Sarap pa. May view pa. Yun. Dapat siya na kumain ng kain.
More rice.
Pag-uwi nito, gordita. Oh, that's Spanish, I'm sorry. No. Gordita means skinny. Right?
You gotta be gordita for.
You're gonna look good and healthy. Look at Glenn. Look at me. Only rice to only soup. So, yan. So, nakita nila si Glenn. Talaga para di na sila magpabalik-balik. Isang malaki. Sabi nila, papagurin lang tayo nito. Kakaripil. Like a radiator.
Lemonade.
Mm.
Maganda si Tito.
That's what I said. Man, there's a lot of sugar. Ever had this?
I don't remember.
That's the best part.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Tuétano.
Tuétano?
Yeah.
Wait, ano? Oh, tuétano. You wanna try it?
No.
Yeah. You don't like tuétano?
Tuétano. Tuétano. Yeah.
Si panalo
The
eh.
part, the inside of the bone.
Tuétano pala ang tawag sa kanila ng bone marrow.
Oh, that's me.
Look at this. It's real. You want one?
No.
Why?
It's a bag.
Yeah, it's a bag. You want it? You didn't see. Oh, you were looking at the boobs, not the. Flip the whole barrel up.
Why?
This one.
Ay, Dios. Where is that? No, they were good.
That's new. What? Oh. That's a lot, huh? You touch everything, huh?
I want coffee.
You want coffee? There was coffee there. Glenn,
Where?
tinatanong niya, ano daw ba yung history ng burat? But why is there a lot of penis, right? A lot of
Yeah, I
cock
know.
everywhere.
I don't know either.
Since I was young, there's those things. But people really buy that?
Why?
I don't know. They just in case. I wonder what if there's a history behind it.
Or they
Guys, hindi namin alam. So enlighten us. Please put on a comment. Kung taga Baguio kayo,
Taste
please
this.
help us. Oh. Here's the one you're looking for.
Yeah.
No wonder she keeps coming back for it.
What?
Mango pudding. Sweet.
But it was without the sugar.
Oh my god, I needed to pee so bad. Luckily we found this place. It's a coffee shop, right? Pretty much. Oh, yeah, it's actually a restaurant. It's a restaurant. But they have good chocolate. Smells good, huh? You want to try it like this? How do you? Two hands? How? You have to use it two hands. Yeah, you put your hair and you connect it. You know that? You've seen that movie?
Yeah.
You get your hair like this and you it's gonna bond on you. So, natutulog pala ako kanina. Nagtanong si Sirene ng coffee shop. Etong pisa ko si Glenn. Inasya namin, isang namin pinsan si Ato. Kung may picture kini Ato, ilagay niya. So, dito kami tinuro sa restaurant. Tapos wala silang coffee. Kasi puro chocolate nga eh. Tsaka pagkain. Debatable nga yung pangalan eh. So, itong isa, sabi niya, no, let me check the menu. Kaya pala gumagano siya. Sabi, look like a chocolate. Pero tingnan natin. Mukha naman masarap eh. Ito yung chai chocolate. Sarap. Fresh na fresh eh. Ito yung ano, in-order niya yung Milo flavor. Try this one. Hazelnut. It's not hazel. It's hazelnut. Nut. And actually make it a lot. Sweet, huh?
Yeah.
Yours is kind of like a bit stronger. Yeah. He was saying that they make a coffee, it turns to a coffee. The chocolate turns to a coffee. I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? He's trying to... but they have one coffee actually. See, brewed coffee. Yeah. So we're gonna put it in the chocolate and make brewed chocolate coffee. Arte kasi sa kape nito eh. But you like 3 in 1, right? Surprisingly. No, you said
Oh,
no.
the 3 in 1?
Yeah. Yeah. Me too. I like 3 in 1. More chocolate.
Oh,
Bilis.
Hindi kasi sinasawsaw. Bilis nga. Oo nga, ano. See,
thought it was
this is
just
the
one.
one that's like, oh yeah, it's a good thing. I thought it was only one. Luckily, we only ordered a little bit.
a little bit.
So this one is the, smell it? No. No, it's good. You eat this and then you counteract it with this. And this is bibingka, which will roll. Same as ano yun? Shanghai. Shanghai, but still with the
banana
banana.
inside.
So go ahead. Wow. Didn't get the first part with the. I like Tyrone. Is there a jackfruit? Yeah, totally. Usually they put ice cream on top for more sugar. Because right now it doesn't have much. Wow. Tignan natin bibingka nila. That's a lot, huh? Mm. It's better than the other one, huh? We had this in Davao, but the way they cooked it is good. It's soft on the inside. Wow. Usually they just serve this during Christmas, but now I guess you can. In the meantime, I wanted to try champorado. You guys have champorado, but it's more of a drink, right?
Yeah, it's like a little less. How do you say it? Like it's too
This is too thick.
thick. Yes,
Yeah.
a little bit less. It's like in the middle of this one, these two, but it's
Ah.
with flour and cocoa.
So it's more of a drink.
Yes, you drink it.
Okay, let's try this.
My grandma used to chocolate.
Wow, it has a really strong taste of the chocolate.
Kasi yun yung kakao.
Cacao.
Original.
Remember when we went to Guatemala? They actually harvested the cacao, turn it to their own chocolate. Right?
Yeah. It's pure kakao.
That's why our cousin was in shape. You'll see him later. Here's the.
And the one holding the lechon.
Wow, binalik. I wash my hands before I feed.
Before, not after.
So you eat it with that, so this is sweet, and then now this is salty. You wanna try it? You wanna try there's the chocolate?
Not too much.
Like that. Cacao. Strong, right? Yeah. So, isang kaalaman na matutunan natin kay Sirenia. Ang merienda is the same as in Spanish. It's like merienda is like you eat in between meals. Snack. Like me, a snack. Huh? And finally, tumigil na yung ulan. So, tatali namin siya sa Burnham Park. Para makita naman niya. Para sulit-sulit yung pagpunta namin sa Baguio. Wow, it's already close. So this thing, like people rollerblades or skateboard, and then there's like an amusement park somewhat inside, like rides for little kids. So this place has been here since I was little. They still have the same bikes. So, ang galing, no? Like, you know in Mario Kart, it flies.
Yes.
Yeah, so that one too. This one
That's
with the umbrella. Yeah, so there's like a cut right there, and then they, hey, let's go bike. Or boat. But don't ride with Glenn in the boat. They're gonna charge us extra. I told you it's a dating spot.
Oh, it was here.
Because then you bike, you boat, then you go to Tokyo. They said. There's hotel. Masarap sa Baguio kapag ano, maraming gulayan. So, mga fresh na fresh kaya bili muna kami bago kami umuwi. You might like that. I like that one. Parang gusto ko yung ano yung pako. This one. But you don't eat salted eggs, so that one's really good. Pakakamati. You want that one? You know how to cook it?
With eggs.
With eggs? Really? Oh, in the morning. Gusto niya raw ito pang scrambled, kasama daw scrambled eggs.
String beans?
Yeah. Mula nung bata ko, meron na yun eh.
Blow in it?
Yeah, blow on it. No, it's a whistle.
Yeah, it's a
Pito. Here, you wanna try? You wanna try pito? It's a pito. Why did I touch it? Pito, blow on it.
Pito means
Whistle.
whistle or the other thing. Those two things. That's pito.
Pito. Pito in you guys means dick.
Or whistle.
Okay, so you wanna try the whistle?
Pito.
What did you grab?
An avocado.
Avocado? Wow, you like that one? That's good. Especially at night. And this weather, it's cold. You want to try?
No.
Huh? You scared? You want strawberry? Strawberry though.
Which one?
You want chiquito or you want
Chiquito
pipito?
or what is the other option?
This one.
Ay no. Se pasan ustedes. Son bien así.
It's not too sweet
Huh?
right now because it's not
Not
the
so
season.
sweet like
It's
we
not sweet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yan na. Mga tanim. Balik namin sa Nueva mo lang kasi. Ando pala si Pambansang Kolokoy, sayang. Nalit yung reply sa akin. Kung hindi, nagstay sana kami ng konti. Renya,
Right.
you're the pro. You're the Mexican, so where can we put it here? Ito yung hotel na. Kasi kinakatakot ko baka pagka nilagay namin sa farm namin, what if we sell it like in a couple of years? So like no lemon again.